This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use circle hooks. Circle hooks are a game changer for anglers, designed to promote safer and more ethical fishing. Their unique, inward curving point ensures fish are almost always hooked in the corner of the mouth, rather than deep in the throat. This design dramatically reduces injury and mortality rates, making them ideal for catch and release. They are incredibly effective for a wide variety of species and fishing styles, offering a more responsible approach to angling. Proper baiting is crucial for circle hook success. When using live or cut bait, thread it onto the hook shank, ensuring the hook's point and barb remain fully exposed. You want the bait to sit naturally, but never obstruct the hook's ability to rotate and find purchase. Avoid burying the point deep inside the bait, as this can prevent the hook from setting correctly. A good rule of thumb is to leave at least 1/3 of the hook's gap clear. This allows for that critical rotation. This is where circle hooks differ significantly from traditional J-hooks. Resist the urge to snap your rod back to set the hook. Instead, allow the fish to fully take the bait and begin to swim away. As the line tightens, simply apply steady, increasing pressure by slowly lifting your rod or reeling. The unique design of the circle hook will cause it to naturally rotate in the fish's mouth, finding the corner and setting itself perfectly. Patience is absolutely key here. Once the hook is set, maintain constant, steady pressure throughout the fight. Avoid slack line, as this can allow the hook to dislodge. When you bring the fish alongside, you'll often find the hook perfectly positioned in the corner of its mouth, making removal incredibly easy. Use a de-hooker or pliers for a quick and safe release, minimizing the fish's time out of water. This gentle approach, facilitated by circle hooks, significantly increases the survival rate of released fish, supporting sustainable practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.